Today we'll learn how our specialists inspect a crawl space or a raised foundation. Are your floors sloping, creaking, or snapping? Your doors or windows sticking open or closed? Or are cracks showing up on walls inside or outside of your home? If so, your foundation might be in jeopardy. So, what are the steps involved with inspecting your crawl space or raised foundation? What the heck are we looking for? How do we go over our findings with homeowners that are just like you? Today, we'll answer all of these questions right here in this video. First, the foundation repair specialist speaks to the homeowner to discuss what they're seeing while living in their home. They'll usually be looking for things like sloping floors, cracks in drywall, and sticking windows or doors. Then they'll draw out a scaled floor plan of the home, followed up by taking floor elevation measurements with a tool called a zip level altimeter. Learn more about that fancy little water level by clicking the card right above my head here. The floor elevation measurements are extremely important because then our specialists will know if there are any areas to concentrate on when they dive into the crawl space. After most of the measurements are taken and noted, our specialists will throw on their jumpsuit and respirator, grab a flashlight, a laser measuring tool, and their iPad so they can head down underneath the home. An important thing to note though is that there needs to be at least 18 inches of clearance for us to access the crawl space or raised foundation. Not just because we're husky guys, but if repairs are needed to be performed, we'll need that 18 inches to move tools, equipment, and material underneath the home. After crawling under the home, our specialists will visually inspect the entire perimeter of the crawl space and look for things like cracks in stem walls, leaning posts, deteriorated pads, cracked or sagging girder beams. Based on how old the home is, we'll look to see if the house is bolted to the foundation. This is also known as being seismically retrofitted. If it's not, then we'll typically suggest UFRP 10 plates around the perimeter in our repair plan. If you want to learn more about seismic retrofitting or the earthquake brace and bolt program, click the card right above me. While inspecting the crawl space, our specialists will note anything that caught their attention on their scaled CAD diagram on their iPads. This will act as a visual to both you as the homeowner as well as our production crews on where things might be located or need to be repaired underneath the home. A big portion of our crawl space repair plans will include crawl space jacks, crack repair on stem walls, along with bracing and bolting the home to the foundation with UFRP 10 plates. Most of these repairs range between $5,000 and $15,000. So, after the inspection is done, our specialist will show the homeowner his findings involving the floor elevation measurements and any photos that were captured in the crawl space. Then, within 48 hours, homeowners will receive their repair plan, scaled diagram, and proposal for any repairs if needed. Now that you know how we inspect a crawl space or a raised foundation, please contact us if you would need your home's foundation inspected. It's really simple. You can either call us directly at 877-360-9227, or you can click that big red button at the top right-hand side of our website that says schedule a free inspection. From there, you'll be able to figure out what's really happening under that dark space supporting your home. Thank you for watching the video, and remember to never settle for an unsafe home.